name is Mohamed Ibrahim. I'm second year of cybersecurity in CTE. I'm from Greedy Central High School. What made me enter cybersecurity is how the new technology works, how it can impact others. I'll plan to first go to college. I want to get a degree, a bachelor's degree or a doctorate degree in somewhere in a computer science field. I want to protect others. I want to fix firewalls. I want to fix servers. I want to fix networks. So people, when they enter websites or their Wi-Fi, I want them to feel safe. I want them to feel like they won't get hacked or nothing. The advantage of taking this class is certifications. Graduating with certification shows your value in the technology world. If you pass the certification, it shows that you're ready to enter a new workforce. The most exciting is hands-on learning. It allowed me to understand how technology works, how can I improve myself. The CTE class taught me about basic coding and how to work with coding, and soft skills. You can learn how to take internships, you know how to talk to people. If you come in this class and the teacher will understand where you start from, he'll help you build up until the point that you're confident in yourself.